Yesterday, the Ministry of Health (MOH) has announced a new drug called baricitinib that they will be using to prevent COVID-19 patients from transitioning to a more severe category. At a press conference, its Minister Datuk Seri Dr. Adam Baba said the new drug combination was administered to COVID-19 patients at a rate of between 2 to 4 milligrams to prevent the risk of pneumonia. He said this medicine is to prevent the risk of patients heading towards more severe categories 3, 4, and 5. Meanwhile, Dr. Adam explained information on the improvements or transition from Category 1 to Categories 3 to 5 was dynamic. The Health Ministry will continue to monitor and get information from patients through self-assessment or MySejahtera application. According to Dr. Adam, the Health Ministry have considered giving vaccines to school students for students to enter schools by September. Currently, the clinical data on Pfizer vaccines for children was not enough to warrant a decision on the matter. He added, "For now, we will be using the public health control to curb the chain of infections in schools." In Kuala Lumpur, UMNO Vice President Datuk Seri Muhammad Khalid NORDIN has called on party members to appreciate the true meaning of sacrifice and remember when the party was first formed. The former Menteri Besar of Johor said the UMNO struggle began with such spirit to build a better future in the country. Khalid explained that in politics, many people claim they are fighting, but nobody knows what they're fighting for. He added that a sincere person would willingly sacrifice their own demand and happiness for future generations. Meanwhile, Khalid urged for sacrifices in terms of those in positions and power for the sake of a more respected and future-proof party. In a statement, he said, UMNO started with this spirit. Many went home without enjoying a better or easier life. Nonetheless, the Malaysia they fought for and left has become better and more successful. He added that many people have sacrificed their happiness and pleasure of life for the sake of the survival and independence of the nation and homeland. Also, he said, "I remember a Scottish poet named Robert Louis Stevenson, who said, 'Don't judge each day by the harvest you reap, but the seeds you plant.'" Moreover, he stressed that life requires a lot of sacrifices to earn a living, to have a better life, to fight against a disease, and more. Today, Higher Education Minister Datuk Seri Dr. Noraini Ahmad said Higher Education Ministry staff should use social media platforms wisely. She said it is important to be smart in evaluating and filtering all the information received. In a virtual speech at the Ministry's Excellence Services Award ceremony, Noraini said, "I believe the Ministry's top management is always ready to accept any matters that are raised, more so if it can help improve the Ministry's delivery of service." Noraini explained that all inquiries or complaints through social media should be taken into account, and providing feedback should be expedited. She added that they are the Ministry's ambassadors in distributing information regarding their services to the people. According to Noraini, a total of 38 higher education institutions are designated as vaccination centers, PPVs, have been operating throughout the country. The PPVs have the capacity to provide 35,000 doses of vaccines per day, or 1.05 million doses per month. Regarding the Excellent Services Award 2020, Noraini said a total of 1,212 of the ministry staff have received the award, which shows excellent work performance among its employees. She added, "May this recognition inject enthusiasm, inspire, and become a role model to all of our staff in creating an excellent employment ecosystem." Today, the National Security Council (NSC) is looking to allow fully vaccinated family members to reunite. Deputy Prime Minister Datuk Seri Ismail Sabri Yaakob said he has raised the topic during their daily security meetings and is hopeful for a positive outcome. In a Facebook post, Ismail said, "I have seen the social media comments where many separated couples as well as mothers and fathers separated from their children have not been able to meet one another due to the travel restrictions that are in place." He explained that he is aware of the importance of family and parents should not be separated from their children for a long period of time, more so if the parents have received 2 COVID-19 doses. He added that he had constantly brought up the matter to the National Security Council meetings and is hopeful restrictions be eased for them to reunite with their families and loved ones. Meanwhile, the government is studying the feasibility of lifting several restrictions for fully vaccinated individuals, with the possibility of allowing interstate travels. And with that, don't forget to follow the SOP, stay at home, and stay safe.